Hey, this is Jeff again with the Valhalla Ventures, reguideservice.com, reiguideservice.com. Wanted to do a real quick video, talk about what's going on with Zillow and give my opinion on it. They came in and were using like an algorithm to figure out numbers and figure out what the profit margins were being. There was a lot of mistakes that we can talk about, but the number one mistake, the easiest thing for me to just explain this and break it down without getting too overcomplicated, because it doesn't really matter. Here's what matters. They screwed themselves because they thought they had money, they could be investors. They thought they could be a profitable business. They thought they could just throw money at it. You can't just throw money at things. You have to be in it. You have to really get involved. You can't just buy properties, pay someone a little bit to fix them up and turn around and sell them. It's not that easy. Even if you have a shit ton of money, you will lose in the end. You have to do the work. You have to have a bunch of small failures that you overcome till you finally figure it out. And even then, you have to have a team of people that have had those same failures and overcome those same things. That takes time to build. You have to qualify and quantify and really test people out. You cannot just throw money at it. Money does not solve problems. Money does not buy you time. All it does is, if you have already invested the time and you already have the skill set, then money allows you to exponentially grow your results. But it doesn't do anything to just make you money. You can't just throw money at shit and throw money at shit. That's not how it works. You cannot be successful without being in it, without really getting involved, without having a quality product, without knowing what the product around you is. Zillow is an unfortunate example of what I've seen happen to literally hundreds and hundreds of investors that thought, oh, I have money. I have $1 million. I have $500,000. Oh, I have $20,000. All different sorts of amounts of money that they thought made them a baller, and they thought they couldn't fail just because they had money. That's not how it works. You don't need money to be successful in this business, and having money in this business doesn't make you successful. That's not how it works. So be encouraged, be discouraged by that, however you want to take it. I hope that you're blessed and you bless others. I hope that you take it as encouragement, and I hope that you have yourself a wonderful day. It's coming up to the end of the year. It means you have all kinds of opportunities. You don't have to struggle to finish it out strong. All you got to do is make sure that you're staying on path every single day from now till the end of the year. And if you keep doing that throughout the next year, things happen. That's just how it works. Figure out failures, be productive, bless yourself, bless others, spend time with your family, make sure that you're productive. Everything will come together. That's just how it works. All right? Have a great day.